Hi guys, want to solve this equation simultaneously? We have equation 1 and equation 2. For us to solve it simultaneously, we have two ways, which is the substitution method and the elimination method. But I want to make use of the substitution method, and in our lesson we are going to talk about the elimination method. Alright, so for the substitution method, we have to look at the two equations. This is equation 1 and equation 2, and we decide which variable is the easiest to solve. I'm very sure you go with this equation here is easier to solve compared to this. All right, so we'll go with this second equation, which says y plus x equal to, then we either make one of the two the subject of the formula, either x or y. Well, let me go with x. You can decide to go with y. We'll still arrive at the same answer. All right, so when I go with x, so x stays here. We already have plus x here, so x just stays here. And I want to take y across the equal sign. 2 still remains here. But when y goes across the equal sign, when you see ordinary number or value without any sign, it means it's a positive. So here we have plus y. When it goes across the equal sign, it changes to minus. Therefore, we have x to be equal to 2 minus y. So this is our new equation. Let me label it as equation 3. Alright, so since we've gotten the value for x to be 2 minus y from equation 2, then we substitute this value here into equation 1, and we have x set to be equal to what? 2 minus y. So wherever we see x, we're going to write 2 minus y. Alright, so we have equation 1, which is what? 2y minus x equal 10. Remember we said x now equal what? 2 minus y, so we write it out. 2y now equals what? Instead of writing x, we write 2 minus y. I mean minus. It's supposed to be minus. So we have 2 minus y. Are you wondering why I'm writing a bracket? I'm writing a bracket so that we wouldn't make mistake of just writing it as just minus 2 minus y. So that you remember that this minus applies to all the value for x. Alright. So this equals 10. So the next thing we need to do is just to simplify. Here we have 2y minus 2. Minus times 2 is still minus 2. Minus times minus y. Minus times minus is plus. Then we have our y. So this equals 10. Then we'll collect the like terms. 2y and y are the same, so we'll put them together. So this equals 2y plus y minus 2 equal 10. Okay, so 2y plus y equals what? 3y. We have minus 2 here. Then this equals 10. So the next thing we need to do, this and this are like, so we have to take this to meet its fellow brother here. I mean me to say that. All right, so we have 3y equals 10. Then when this comes across the equal sign, it changes to plus 2. Okay, so we have 3y equals 10 plus 2 equals 12. Then we'll divide both sides by what? The coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y here? We have it to be 3. So 3y divided by 3 equals 12 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3, we still have our y here. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. So we have y equals 4. So remember we have our new equation for x to be x equal to y. Then we substitute the value for y in this, in x here. So remember x equals 2 minus y, right? And now we have a new value for y to be 4. So x equals 2 minus, the value for y is 4. So 2 minus 4. So 2 minus 4 equals what? Minus 2. Therefore our x equals minus 2 and our y equals 4. You can substitute these values back into the equation here. You would get your answers right here for you to test whether you are correct or not. So I want you to solve this. 3a plus b equals 10 and 2a plus 4b equals 0. I want you to solve it simultaneously using the substitution method.